Okay. Is not permitted to mention. Malad, Malad, because of that, Malad, already this matter is already the original OMR sheet matter, Malad, already fixed on 8th May, Malad. Malad, 8
may permitted to move an urgent.
Already Malad fixed this matter on 8th May. Because of that, Malad, you remember the Supreme Court passed the order in 2014, Malad.
We will mentioning date is on Friday. 8th May is not Friday. This Friday you can very well mention. So why you mention?
May I permit
No.
it? Leave,
Yes,
my lord, urgent motion.
No.
Others, my lord, admission.
I will mention on that.
My lord, kindly see.
All the list.
Today is the
It is
date.
not the mentioning. I will not take mention. No.
My lord, kindly consider, my lord, the urgent matter admission of the Kendriya Vidyalaya class 2, my lord. I am paying a leave to move an urgent motion.
Okay.
My lord, it will be hard on Thursday, my lord. It will be hard on
mentioning date is Friday. You come on Friday. We'll take.
My lord, otherwise, my lord, he will
Yes,
not be admitted, my lord.
Item number 1.
My lord, before that, my lord, I am paying a leave to move an
Please don't
urgent.
embarrass the court. I have told you that Friday is the mentioning. Come on Friday. We'll.
No, I am not mentioning. I am paying leave.
No leave. Yes.
Otherwise, my lord, it will be the infractuous, my lord.
Yes, item number 1.
My lord, it will be infractuous.
Item number 1.
My lord, kindly consider the class 2 admission Kendriya Vidyalaya, my lord. Leave I am praying, let it be on Thursday. I am not moving today. I'll serve, let it be on Thursday, but otherwise it will be infractuous.
How it will be infractuous? What is the last date? What is the last date of admission?
Today is the date for admission.
Show me the notice.
My lord, kindly see. My lord, this is my application.
Not application, sir. Notification of the admission, which specifies the last date of admission. Show me that.
That I have stated that. First day, first paragraph. First paragraph.
Show me the notification of the Kendriya Vidyalaya showing the last date of admission. Not your pleadings. Show me that notification, which you say that your repetition will be infructuous if it is not taken up. Show me the last date of admission.
Today is
Sir, show me the last date notification showing that today is the last date. Show me. That is what I am on.
What is the difficulty in this case, my lord? Kindly grant me 1 minute time, my lord. I have not.
I have granted you time. What I intend to know is you say that today is the last date. I want to see the notification showing that today is the last date. That gives rise to the urgency.
I have
the urgency. File that application and take it up. If the last date is not today or Friday, whatever.
No. We have stated that today is the last date.
Many things. Where is the notification?
That is, I have not received any notification. That is my whole.
Show me the notification.
I have stated in paragraph
that today is or the Friday is the last date.
So that we can take it 7, I have stated today
on
is
Friday. Give bring that notification expeditiously. Will make a supplementary list and hear your matter. If it is the last date.
Today is the last date. I have mentioned that, but I have not received any
notification. Or come up with the notification.
My lord, I have stated.
Come up with the notification, please. Come up with the notification showing that today is the last date. I will take it up by supplementary video or give you leave. That much I can say. I will grant you leave whenever you bring the notification.
Well, I'll satisfy on Thursday, my lord.
Thursday on Friday.
I'll satisfy
on
that.
Friday. Yes.
My
lord, may I crave your lordship's kind leave to mention?
Friday you mention or Friday will take it up.
This is the representation I have submitted.
9 and Kotam.
To the direction of the division. Initially, the program was not receiving, therefore I sent by speed. And my lord, I have also.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship directed to the Pradhan, my lord, to consider the complaint, my lord, within the stipulated time. My lord, she did not do that, and therefore, my lord, contempt application is filed. And thereafter, my learned friend filed an appeal. My lord, appeal court did not interfere with your lordship's order, only directed to the Pradhan.
Where is the complaint you have filed?
My lord, I have filed that, but I have handed over to your lordship. Initially, my lord, the Pradhan was not receiving, therefore I sent by speed post. I speed post receipt, my lord, I have annexed. And the next day, on my lord, 1st of April, the Pradhan has received on the order sheet, my lord, on the copy of the order, he has received.
And even after receive the, my lord, representation of the private respondent, my lord, she did not,
That is the, my
my
lord.
lord, call for
my
any
lord, the
meeting,
Pradhan
and
has-
therefore, my lord, your lordship directed him, her, to appear before your
When
lordship
is the
personally.
when is the next date?
My lord, Pradhan has not given any date.
But this cannot be kept pending for long.
That's true.
Until and unless,
I
my
have
lord,
filed an
Pradhan is,
application
my
for
lord,
additional party in the
appear before your lordship
Contempt.
personally. My lord, she did not comply your lordship's order.
And in the contempt application, I have not
Her
been
rule
made
should be
party.
issued.
I have not been made party. Therefore, my lord, I have filed an application for addition of party. My lord, if I be,
Copy you have given?
What is,
yes, copy I have served.
what is the necessity? Repeatedly is submitting, my
Therefore,
lord.
unless
I
I
have
be added
filed
as
the
a party, my
application,
lord,
I have filed
I
the
cannot say that
additional
contempt
party.
application is not maintainable.
Well, Pradhan, my lord, did not comply your lordship's order, therefore contempt application.
Now that has been modified by the appellate court.
No, no, it is not modified. It is not modified. Wrong submission
Hello.
always made.
Mr. Rabindranath Mahata, learned advocate, appearing for applicants in Can 1 of 2026, submits that pursuant to order passed in MAT 266 of 2026, the respondent numbers,
But I am the
My lord.
respondent number. 4 and 5 in the
4 and 5 in the writ petition has already filed their representation before the Pradhan. Stop. However, no date has been fixed for hearing of the representations. None appears on behalf of the service was effected on the last
Yes,
day.
yes, well. Service has already been.
Hmm.
My lord, may I submit my lord one thing? My lord, the pursuant to the appeal court order, I have filed the document, filed the representation. But my submission is this, my lord. I pointed out before the appellate court that the petitioner has not filed any representation before the authority. My lord directed the representation of the petitioner is required to be considered by the Pradhan. My lord, before the trial appellate court, they have submitted, it has come to the from record that the brother of the petitioner has filed a representation before the Pradhan. Therefore, my lord, the appellate court has says that if the petitioner is not filed any representation, even after passing of this order,
Well,
then
it is
the,
clear in the appeal
then the-
court's order. It is
then the
clear.
brother's
And
application
again,
will be
he is
considered.
submitting.
My lord, now my submission is this. My lord, since the petitioner has not filed any representation before the authority till date, my lord, this contempt application for non-compliance of order is not maintainable. Because my lord, his
That we will
representation
decide.
is not there.
That will decide.
Petitioner's
If
representation.
the
is
order
not
has not been set aside on such ground, then again you maintain a
Why
video of
not
that
say- but-
application.
but
This
so
is
far
arising out
contempt-
no.
My
Always
lord, so
says,
far
my lord.
contempt application is concerned, my lord says the petitioner has not filed any application,
Hmm.
representation. My lord, he cannot say,
Well,
petitioner cannot say. Petitioner can, my lord, cannot file an application.
However,
for
no date
contempt.
has been fixed for hearing. Alleged contempt.
Irrelevant submission has already
The
been submitted before your lordships.
alleged contemptor is directed to fix date for hearing. What is the order passed by the appellate court? That he will hear
My
the
lord,
matter?
My lord, appeal court says, my lord,
uh,
relevant paragraph.
Yes, fix a date for
paragraph
hearing.
9,
Parties shall be at liberty to communicate this order to the alleged contemptor, namely the Pradhan of which
portion of, my lord,
Radha Mohan
Radha Mohan
one
to
Gram
Gram
Panchayat.
Radha Mohan 1
One.
Gram Panchayat. List this matter after 2 weeks. अच्छा, Mr. Mahata रहते बोलो, he files a copy of the representation made before the Pradhan dated. What is the date of this?
30th March
30th March
2026.
2026, which is taken on record after 2 weeks. Communicate this order to the Pradhan to
Alright.
fix a date for hearing.
My lord, until and unless the rule is issued, my lord,
My lord, this,
you will not, my lord, comply with your lordship's
my
order.
lord, this is the,
Go one by one, Mr. Sinha.
my lord, this is
Go
the
one by one. Yes,
notification.
So many days has already been passed from the communications of your
Or
lordship's
to
order.
liberty has been granted.
Kendriya Vidyalaya, Fort William. Today is the last.
Registration period is over. Filing of the application is over by 8th April.
Oh, we have filed.
You have filed the application.
Yes. We have filed in time.
Which
But-
application?
Application.
The
for-
application form to be submitted from 2nd April to 8th April.
We
That
have
you have done.
within time. Yes, yes. Question is not that, the application. Question is the schedule caste certificate. That is the schedule caste by the petitioner mother. We have applied in time. Only mother has a schedule caste certificate. Father is not. I am entitled on the basis of that. We have filed in time.
So you want to have it under the category of scheduled caste.
Schedule caste. This is the only prayer.
Leave granted. Friday the Rakota.
My lord, deeply applies.
Friday there. Friday.
This is my application, my lord, pursuant to your lordship direction, my lord, I am service is effective, track report is reflecting that. Order 5/3/2026 passed by your lordship, my lord, again, sir, the track report reflected that. The service effected. Delivered.
Not today.
Affidavit service be kept in the records.
You have a
No.
affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. It is found that service has been effected upon the alleged contemner. List this matter. Despite service, none appears on alleged contemner. List this matter on next Monday, the 20th.
I'm good.
My lord, item 3, my lord, I am appearing for the
I'm
alleged
for the petitioner,
contemner.
lordship.
Now, my lord, on the last occasion, your lordship directed the alleged contemner, my lord, to file a compliance report. My lord, it was prepared and sent. Now, my lord, there is one difficulty, my lord. The difficulty is, my lord, he is the BDO, executive officer of the Panchayat Committee, as well as the BDO. By a notification, my lord, he was appointed as the assistant returning officer for 2 constituency, assembly constituency. Now, my lord, he was unable to come, my lord, because of some preoccupations, my lord. My lord, any day after 4th or 5th April, my lord, May,
Okay.
after the counting.
You are for the petitioner?
Your lordship. I'm led by Advocate Jui Datta Chakraborty, lordship.
Mr. Arjun Roy Mukherjee, learned advocate appearing for alleged contemner, submits that he has been appointed as assistant returning officer
Yes.
for which constituency?
Yes, my lord. He has been appointed as Dubrajpur SC Assembly constituency, number 284, and Shiudi Assembly constituency, number 285. I mean,
He seeks for which reason the affidavit of compliance could not be filed. He seeks the matter be placed after the ensuing West Bengal State Assembly elections. Place this matter on
আছে আছে আসছে।
On 8 May.
I'm extremely grateful, my lord.
Grateful lordship.
I'm appearing on behalf of the my lord, respondent number
Yes,
2
my
and
lord,
3.
in item number 4, my lord, Mr. Bishwarup Bhattacharya is appearing for the petitioner, my lord. As he is not present, I'm praying for not today.
This
only.
matter has been listed under the heading application. I filed an application for addition of party because the writ petition has specific grievance against the managing committee. But without implicating the secretary of the managing committee, that's filed this application.
Copy, sir.
Let my application be allowed. Yes, I have served this copy.
Where is
My
it?
lord, the application has been filed in item number 5.
My lord, item number 5, my
Copy
lord,
has
These
not
are
been
both
dropped upon
are
the respondent number 2 and 3.
both are
Which is
connected
item?
matter, my lord.
Madrasa board.
Mother, I have
In item number 5, we have also filed an application for addition of party.
Madrasa board for 4 and 5.
2 and 3 will.
2 to names, 3 and
4 and 5.
4
4 and 5. 4 and
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
my lord, item number 4, there is a
In the other,
application-
Mr. Dotto, in the other item, that is 4, you have not filed any application for addition of party. In 4?
So far the Firoz Khan is concerned, my lord. I have
No, give
filed
the item number, I mean WPA 832.
I filed by the party.
You are there.
Mohidul Khan.
In item
In the
number
other
5,
matter, that is WPA 405, you have filed an
yes,
application.
my lord. In that matter, we have also filed an application for addition of party. There are 2 cans probably. Can 1 is mine and can 2 probably is my learned seniors.
My lord, may I point out something? My lord, on the last occasion, item number 4, there is a direction upon me. My lord, state respondent to apprise this court, the pension file of the Tanmoy has been, how it can be processed. My lord, there is a twofold prayer. Number 1 is that handed over the password and user ID to the between the parties. My lord, that was done, I think, my lord. The second one, they pointed out one of the persons who has been retired, his papers has not been forwarded. So your lordship directed us how to problem may be solved. My lord, according to me, my lord, there is, my lord, kindly see the, my lord, according to my oral prayer, my lord, the DI has called for the, on one hearing to process the pension file and directed school authority and the person concerned to be remain present at the office. On 6th, on that day, my lord, none appeared. Well, again the date was fixed. My lord, on Friday, last Friday, they have submitted the papers. My lord,
Managing
kindly see,
committee appeared, managing committee all submitted all papers have been processed.
when? My lord, kindly ask them when. Last Friday.
Initially on the first date, the paper was not processed. Secondly,
My
next
lord,
day-
they are harping on the point that all the delay caused by the state
paper has to be
respondent.
processed.
My
Some
lord,
time
now,
to be required.
well, that was not the argument of my learned senior friend on the earlier date. It was the deliberate on the part of the DI. They had not forwarded the pension. My lord, kindly see the first page.
So
My lord,
on,
this is a communication.
on
First page.
8th April, they have submitted.
On Friday, they have submitted. My lord, what has been granted, my lord, kindly come to the first page. My lord, first, not, my lord, that is not first page. My lord, that is the communication from the DI to me. The Tanmoy pension file under process. My lord, this is the first page.
Yes.
Tanmoy Mishra's pension file under process, 18 years sanction was done and pension book was updated in Friday.
No, that is not here.
My lord, that just a WhatsApp communication to me.
Under process 18 years.
It is on Friday.
Yeah, update. Joma below school. This is what has happened in Friday.
Friday.
Correct.
Fine.
And if it has been submitted, then it's all right. The matter has been resolved.
So far, my application is
May I
concerned.
submit? May I submit?
So far, my application is concerned in connection with the WPA 405 of 2025.
Yes.
Let this application be allowed. And you will also fix a date as per
My lord,
It is for the
my lord,
petitioner in
my
W.
lord, in item number 4, my lord, nothing remains to be decided. Let it be disposed of.
832.
832.
No, my lord. My lord, I do have certain reservation. In my lord, so far is the my lord writ petition number 832 is concerned.
Yes.
My lord, kindly have a look at a prayer at page 21.
You have filed your opposition to the writ petition.
My lord, the opposition has been filed. Opposition has been filed. My lord.
We have also
My lord,
filed a
the only aspect is this. My lord, kindly have a look at page 21 once. 832.
Yes.
Issue a writ in the nature of mandamus, commanding the impugned memo dated 2nd of January 2026, being annexure P10 is bad in the eye of law. What is the annexure about? Both the parties, my lord, both the contenders, one of the writ petitioner, other is the writ petitioner in the next matter, my lord, both made an application claiming that I am the teacher in charge. You hand over all those documents to me. So by dint of the letter, I asked them to appear before the board and to resolve the issue. So, my lord, their grievances, I don't have any authority to resolve the issue. I am with them. There is no difficulty. Next one, my lord. Even, my lord, the board will withdraw it. The next, my lord, bad in law and liable to be set aside, thereby directing the board to furnish the ID, password, and the enrollment process in the High Madrasa examination of the 2026 that has already been given, my lord, pursuant to the court's direction in favor of the petitioner. Then, my lord, further direct the district inspector of schools Purbo Mednipur to furnish ID and the password relating to the online e-pension IOSMS in favor of the petitioner. There would be a serious anomaly if this document would be handed over. So I have to place few facts. My lord, kindly.
No, we are not hearing right now.
No, my
So
lord, only
we will take it up if this
Yes,
is
yes, that's why
contested.
you
We definitely will examine all these issues.
That's why you also are
So
telling.
it is not be disposed of right now.
Two things is there. My lord, on the first, when this writ petition was moved, it is the prayer of the petitioner is that all examination will be conducted. So
that has
admit-
already been replaced.
That was done. Next prayer of the petitioner is
Pension
that
payment, that has already been done.
Tonmoy Mistra's pension file has not been forwarded. That was done.
Be done.
I don't know what to be decided?
No, no.
The-
Your
the-
Lordship,
The
that's
last,
your
last
Lordship
minute,
was
the last-
telling on the earlier occasion that I will hear this matter on merit. So far the IOMS is concerned, your Lordship fixed a date as your Lordship convenient, and your Lordship kindly allow this application.
What is your submission? It is for the writ petitioner in 405.
405 P. Firoz Khan.
So, my lord, since Nan is appearing on behalf of the Firoz Khan today, my lord, I think that, my lord,
Yes.
the order pass, my lord, that will prejudice their.
We are not passing any order in respect of the other writ petition. What Mr. Das says that it will be disposed of, since there are points which is to be examined as you have submitted.
Fine.
To keep all the matters pending, on the next date we'll take it up. Because
My
My lord,
application
my
will be
lord,
allowed.
only
Application.
my lord, only the difficulty is this, my lord. Why I am praying for, my lord, the expedition of the hearing, because pursuant to the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, a committee has been constituted, headed by Justice Dey, and along with the two officers. There was a terms of reference given by the Honorable Supreme Court that they will verify the person who has been appointed in the interregnum after, my lord, the initial order has been passed and subsequently that has been stayed. So in the interregnum 917 irregular person, by irregular process 917 person has been appointed. The writ petitioner is one of them. So, my lord, only the difficulty is this: unless you will not place everything before the three-men's committee constituted by the Supreme Court, his documents would not be verified. Unless that would not be verified, no access can be given to the portal. If you will get the access, there would be complete mayhem. He will record everything. So, my lord, in a nutshell, my lord, I place everything. Today, since your lordship not hearing the matter, I will place in his entirety.
Now, well, I am making that submission that so far the report is concerned, the petitioner had not been appointed by virtue of that report. Directly,
No,
the
we
Supreme
take it.
Court passed an order to keep this appointment.
Mr. Gaurav
That
Das,
report was challenged
learned
by
advocate,
SLP.
appearing for the state respondents, submits that pursuant to order of this court dated 2nd April 2026, the pension papers of one assistant teacher, namely Tanmoy Misro, has already been submitted and processed. Accommodation is sought for on behalf of
The petitioner in item number 4.
Mr. Vishwarup
Bhattacharya.
Bhattacharya, learned, conducting advocate for petitioner in WPA 832 of 2026. On the joint prayer of the parties, list these matters on. Date one. এটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশনসটা আগে আসবে, অ্যাপ্লিকেশনসটা আগে হিয়ারিং করতে হবে। অপোজিশনস দে হ্যাভ ফাইলড,
Opposition they have filed.
অপোজিশনস দে হ্যাভ ফাইলড against your application.
No, no, no.
No.
অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস এর হেডিং এ দিন কবে আসবে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন বলুন, 10 days পরে একটা ডেট দিয়ে দিন। হ্যাঁ, এগুলো তো অ্যাপ্লিকেশন
If
যে
your
কোনো দিন
lordship
হতে পারে।
wishes to fix the matter under the heading hearing, on that day, this
Yeah,
application
application
can be taken up because this is an innocuous prayer or adding the party.
Again, he will be given an opportunity of refuting if he has any grounds to challenge the contentions made in the writ petition, then he will be given an opportunity to file affidavit in opposition.
No, only my lord, subject to correction. If the first writ petition would be disposed of, it would be consequential. Next writ petition would be consequential.
832 is the main.
Main.
Okay. চলো হিয়ারিং এর হিয়ারিং এ বল। হ্যাঁ 18th May, এটার উপরেরটা বাদ দিয়ে একটা দিতে পারে। মিস্টার
Would your lordship be pleased to fix any time, my lord,
Yes,
so that
2
my lord,
PM.
because
2 PM এ করে দাও। 18th May 2 PM.
great.
Mr. Das, you take the first page out.
First page টা বের কর।
Much applied. Much applied.
My lord, item number 6, my lord, I am for the petition.
That's so far.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, your lordship, initially, my lord, kindly do not open the brief. I tell your lordship is aware, my lord, in respect of Malda and not 24 Pargana, the coordinate bench passed an order that there are illegalities.
2009.
2009, there are illegalities, and on consensus, my lord, appointments were given on the non-joining posts which were vacant. My lord, similar situation in respect of South 24 Pargana. The coordinate bench fixed a date, last date, that within that date, whosoever filed, and directed on that date, recorded the illegalities and directed the, my lord, council, South Council.
I am not from the council. This matter, I am for the state respondents.
Directed
This
the
matter.
council, my lord, to come up with a report, what are the, my lord, vacancies remaining, non-joining post and everything. My lord, on the returnable date, it was pointed out to the bench, my lord, that challenging this South 24 selection process, SLP is pending and there is a stay on appointment. On that basis, my lord, the coordinate bench said that since there is a stay, there is no point in getting the matter, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, the stay has been, my lord, it has not been extended, and the council, my lord, has started to give appointment from the panel. So, my lord, since there is no stay, I can show your lordship the last order.
Where is Mr. Gaurav Das? He was here.
My lord, if your lordship kindly sees this last order, it will be clear. Now this stay is over, my lord. এই যে সাউথের ওই মামলাগুলো ওই কনসেন্সাস নর্থের মতো।
My lord, that Supreme Court, my lord, are taken up the matter and fixed on 13 May.
There is no stay.
13 May, my lord, kindly fix 13 May for giving the judgment.
For giving the judgment.
Mr. Gaurav Das, learned advocate appearing for DPSC South 24 Parganas, informs the court that the Honorable Supreme Court, what is the SLP number?
My lord, it is indicated in this judgment handed over to your lordship.
On 10th May, judge, SLP number. My lord, this is the Supreme Court last.
Now what happened, my lord, the persons who are selected in that selection process went to the Supreme Court challenging the panel published by the South 24 Pargana. Now that this is a question cropped up before the Supreme Court, after the NCTE Act, how can you give the person's appointment of, who are the non-prints? So it is the view of the Supreme Court to give all the person to give appointment, the person who was trained. So on that count, my lord, NCT and state is directed to take an instruction and matter fixed on 13th.
It has been heard or
Heard.
reserved
Not
for
for
judgment?
judgment. But my lord, there is no stay because even
Okay,
after that, my lord, appointments are being
for
given.
that. We'll wait for that.
Yes.
Does informs the court. Then the matter has not been kept reserved for passing judgment.
No.
On 13th
Just
May,
to take an instruction. After that instruction,
further informs the court that the Honorable Supreme Court has fixed further hearing upon instruction from the state and
NCT
NCT on
13th May.
13th May 2026. End of May till appointed date. In view of such submission, list this matter on না একটা দিন আগে দিন 18th May,
My lord.
My lord, 6 and 7 same.
18th May আচ্ছা ভেকেশন আচ্ছা মানডে ঠিক আছে 18th May, 7 same.
Same. Item number 8, my lord, I am for the petitioner. The notional matter, my lord, on the last occasion, your lordship was inclined to pass order, but they prayed that only one instruction, my lord.
Yes, your lordship. In this matter, your lordship, only the signature, commissioner's signature is left, your lordship. If your lordship keep this matter on 12 p.m., your lordship, I will file the instruction today, your lordship. We are both ready in this matter, your lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
Yes, I am appearing on behalf of the state, your lordship.
State.
Yes. There's a direction for filing report today, your lordship, but only the commissioner's sign is left, your lordship. And they are already been ready. The instruction already been ready, your lordship. If your lordship keep this matter at 12 p.m., your lordship, it will be better for us, your lordship.
Okay. 11th. এটা 12টার সময় রাখবে না
My lordship, I am for the NIOS.
Lordship, I am appealing for the petition. I am led by Mr. HON'BLE. This matter is related, my lord, not getting of DLED certificate since 2019. And on the last occasion,
NIOS.
the NIOS has submitted that they will give opposition.
In item number 9, in item number 17.
9 and 17.
9 and item number 17.
These are those matters when your lordship would remember.
Yes.
They had said Xenocos matter, but they had said that they will be giving an opposition. Time has expired. Now, my lord, I think they will be seeking for an extension and kindly keeps it up. If your lordship is of the view that no extension should be granted, then keeps it up on Friday. Let his senior come, and thereafter, if your lordship is of,
Monday, sir.
yes,
On
yes.
20th.
My lord.
On 20th.
On 20th, yes. Both the matters.
Yes. Learned advocate for the NIOS here.
Yes.
Yes, it's for the
seeks extension of time to file affidavit in opposition. Let such affidavit in opposition be filed by the returnable date. List this matter on 20th. On 20th.
My lord, on
And
Yes.
is extended till 20th.
Item
If they
number
file any
9,
opposition to that, they will
But
file by.
let them file by 17th so that if required, I can give a reply by 20th.
It is need to change. It is change. Let such affidavit in opposition.
My lordship, since it's a Bengali New Year holiday, many of the officers in the NIOS are they have gone to their native places. So I just seek for a
In iOS Bengali in a year. They must not have been heard even.
just seek for a 1 week extension, my lordship.
Okay, Mr. Lady, let them file by 20th.
Yes.
You go through that if required.
Yes.
Then we can extend it till the next 24th or subsequent.
Yes. Let them file. Let them file. Yes.
Yes, by the returnable date you file.
90. 9
and 17.
9 and 17.
17 you are appearing.
Yes.
Same order.
Same.
9 or 17 same order.
My
And I'm the petitioner. This is that matter in which the petitioner was seeking leave from this honorable court to participate in the bridge course, my lord, conducted by NIOS. The NIOS had sought time to take instructions, my lord, on the
My
earlier
lordship, I'm led by Mr. Shiv Shankar Banerjee in this matter. I'm praying for not today, my lordship. He hasn't come to court today, my lordship.
Oh, there is a resolution.
Any
of the parties not.
My lord, it can be taken up on the next working day, subject to your lordship's.
It will be
And it will be
It's not today only.
Friday or Monday.
Fine.
Monday. Accommodation is sought for on behalf of Mr. Shiv Shankar Banerjee, learned advocate for respondent in NIOS. This matter on 20th.
Item 11, I am for the petitioner.
Jahan is appearing online.
Yes, Mr. Shah.
The state is the answering respondent in this matter. It is being moved by the school authority. If your lordship turns to page 37, that's the recognition order which was granted in 1985 in favor of this institution, which is known as Don Bosco Primary School within bracket girls unit.
No. State to name. Nobody is appearing for the state.
Can we make it not today then, because they are the answering respondent.
This is regularization or?
No. I need a minority certificate that was granted in our favor. Now our founder body that has been changed. Now the minority authority says I need a no objection certificate from the aid granting authority so that they can issue a fresh certificate in our favor. Aid granting authority is the principal secretary education department. Okay. Despite of repeated requests, they are silent over the matter.
Not today.
Great.
Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner in this matter. This is a matter concerning candidates who have acquired the DLED qualification through ODL mode. However, they have been denied appointment. In fact, I'll be more precise, they've been denied interview. They had sat for the exam. Their applications were accepted. However, at the document verification stage, they were turned back orally without a formal notice saying that their 18th month course is not equivalent to the 2-year DLED course. And this is subsequent.
The other matter is coming up. Lordship, this matter is fixed in 24th, Lordship.
Your Lordship, that is a batch matter. Our matter has been detagged from it now.
There was no tagging of.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes. Matter, the interview process has been completed. In this matter, they have been not been together.
Both the issue are same.
Your Lordship, this
24th again.
Your Lordship, this was listed together with that batch on Friday. We had it detagged.
It was nothing batch. It was wrongly listed. There was no order for hearing analogous. So it will be consecutively, it will be listed. It will not be listed along with
Your Lordship, may we please press for interim directions because there is an urgency.
On 24th. এটা লিস্টে করবে ওই বাকিগুলো যে আছে তার নিচে রাখবে Yes.
On 24th.
24th.
Your Lordship, there is an issue. The arguing counsel is not available on the 24th. The preferred dates are 21st to 23rd or 29th and 30th.
On 24th, let it come up in the list. If you have any difficulty in arguing on that day, let Mr. Mukherjee first complete his argument. All over the issues are almost same. Whether you have the eligibility criteria or not, we'll decide on that. After that, if you have any problem, you submit before this court, we'll definitely accommodate you.
So grateful.
Yes. Next. Next, not today.
No time for the petition. My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the state. I am praying for not today.
What is this matter? Any report was called for?
Yes, my lord. Report was called for. Report submitted on the last occasion, my lord. Kindly see.
Lordship, kindly make it known because I'm not accommodated with the brief to the lordship.
No, board is not the answering response.
A category.
Yes, my lord.
State is there.
I also filed my exception.
বলে দিন আপনি
ঠিক আছে আপনি on 17th, not today.
My lord, item 15, my lord, on behalf of petitioner, my lord, Mr. Somuk Bere is appearing. He is suffering from pox, my lord. I am praying for 2 weeks time, my lord, because he is suffering from
Accommodation
pox.
sought for on behalf of Mr. Somok
Bera.
on the ground of illness.
For
Please
2
this
weeks
matter
time.
after 3 weeks.
Yes, my lord, I am obliged, my lord.
Next.
My lord, 16, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord, it can be disposed of, matter relating to issuance of death certificate. My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship.
3 were left out, you submitted.
4 persons, I have the petitioners are, my lord, 16, 17, 19, 21. পাইনি চারজন ছাড়া লিবার্টি মে বি গিভেন ইফ নট অলরেডি
16 17
19 আরে 16 17 19 21
21 they have not yet received.
My lord, they might have received, my lord. I have not received any communication. So, my lord, if not already received, liberty may be given to approach this.
By the present writ petition, the petitioners seeks for issuance of teachers eligibility test within bracket in short TET certificate 2014, pass certificate of 2014. Mr. Sudipto Dasgupta, learned advocate for the petitioner, informs the court that as per instruction, save and accept petition number 16, 17, 19 and 21. Rest of the petitioners have already received their pass certificate pertaining to TET 2014. He seeks that a direction be issued for issuance of the TET certificate in favor of writ petitioners number 16, 17, 19 and 21 if not already received. Mr. Kaushik Chaudhary, learned advocate for the petitioner, concedes to such submissions. In view of the above, who will the authority? Chairman?
Secretary.
Secretary. West Bengal Board of Primary Education is directed to issue
respond number 4.
Respond number 4 is directed to issue pass certificate of TET 2014 in favor of petitioners number 16, 17, 19 and 21, subject to their entitlement and proper verification, comma, if not already issued. With the aforesaid direction, the court fees. No, it was submitted on the last day. Disposed of. 17 টা লাগবেন না, হয়ে গেছে।
এটা কত 16 হলো এটা কত হলো না 17
17 same order as 9 I have passed. If your representation is here for the state,
minor,
give your name.
Grateful minor.
কবে হবে এটা? I am appearing for the state respondent lordship.
কত নম্বর এটা?
18 lordship.
18.
এই 17 টা হবে কবে?
Lordship.
No, appears on
Several occasions,
not today.
lordship, it was called.
Don't be fast. Not today.
My lord, firstly I tendered my unqualified apology. My lord, there is an extension to file a report. My lord, the report is ready, but due to all the officers pertaining to our council, my lord, has been deported in an election. So none is there to affirm this affidavit. My lord, if I pray before your lordship, kindly fix a date after 4th, so that I can file a report and my lord, pertaining to the, my lord, that order of the division bench which is indicated at your lordship's last, my lord, there is an undertaking,
yes,
that not to file any contempt application before the single judge. My lord, the issue pertaining to this writ petition, my lord, they are relied upon a judgment of the learned single judge, that is Kartik Kartik Pandey and others. My lord, against that appeal preferred. And my lord, there is an undertaking by the petitioner not to proceed, not to file any contempt during the pendency of this appeal.
So that appeal has been heard.
That was my matter. You did not give any undertaking. The query of
It was recorded in the order. My lord, kindly see the order. Last paragraph. Last paragraph.
File the report DPSC.
We did not prefer any appeal. That is the record.
Last paragraph.
Yes. Mr. Sannal has submitted.
So unless this appeal has not been decided, my lord, nothing to be decided in this.
No, my lord.
My lord,
There
it
is
is clearly covered.
some discrepancy on those matters.
My lord, I pray before your lordship, I shall file a report. My lord, kindly fix a date, my lord, after 4th May.
Mr. Gaurav Das, learned advocate for DPSC South 24 Pargana, seeks extension of time to file report since the officers are engaged in the ongoing West Bengal State Legislative Assembly election. He seeks for fixing the matter after the elections. List this matter on
any day after 4th.
8 কতগুলো আসছে? 8th May.
Great. I shall file in the meantime.
Let such report be filed. Next line. Let such report be filed by the returnable date.
My lord, if your lordship will grant me, file the report. If your lordship kindly give me the liberty that I file a report without affidavit, then my lord, I can prepare it. My lord,
But what was the direction to file?
File a report.
A report in the form of affidavit. So let it be in the form of affidavit. You file the report. The officers affirm their.
Only
report. G form আছে ওই form থাক. As such, as the direction was passed for filing a report, you file in that form.
Yes.
Advance copy of the report be served upon the learned advocate for the petition. Next.
20, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Same as 19, but DPSC is not 24 Paraganas.
DPSC is?
Not 24 Paraganas. Already extended twice, my lord.
None appears on behalf of DPSC North 24 Parganas. For ends of justice, the matter is not in. Yes?
I'm appearing on the behalf of the state.
State.
For I pray for not today.
কি বলবো? None appears on behalf of DPSC North 24 Parganas, nor any report is filed. Learned advocate for the state seeks accommodation. Let such release this matter on 8th. Direction given. Release this matter on 8th.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord. I was to file my exception to the report if a week's more time is given due to the personal inconvenience of my advocate on record. It could not be affirmed, my lord.
What is his prayer in the writ petition?
Prayer for a category of skill, my lord. He has not completed the bridge course, which is, my lord, paragraph 7, my lord. Kindly see.
Bridge course not completed, but today, my lord, he had joined at a relevant point of time when B.Ed was the necessary qualification. Thereafter, he had resigned from the post before the bridge course was actually introduced, for which he never had the occasion to go through the bridge course. Today he is asking, but
advocate for the petitioner seeks extension of time to file exception. Let such exception be filed within a period of 2 weeks. List this matter of 2 weeks. Not today.
23, my lord, I have got the petition.
I am for the DPSC, Lordship.
I am for the state, my lord, 23. The petitioners
Yes.
complete his 2 years training. And result was published on 20th of May 2019. Similar circumstances, another matter was moved before your lordship. On 30th of March, your lordship was pleased to pass this order. Here also, petitioners paid 55,930 rupees that has not been disbursed. Is refund. The petitioner has retired from her service, his service, on 31st of January 2023.
Oh,
Yes, Lordship has decided this issue already.
okay. So it is similarly circumstance.
Yes.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record by the present writ petition. The petitioner seeks for refund of
55,930.
55,930 upon quashing of later under. Where is that?
Overdrawal amount.
Memo. Quashing of later under memo number 171/HDPSC dated 21st April 2022 of respondent number 7.
Yes.
Respondent number 7, chairman/chairperson, Hooghly District Primary School Council, within bracket annexure P3. The petitioner contains that he retired from service on which date?
31st of January 2023.
31st of January 2023 as an assistant teacher.
Yes.
As an assistant teacher of Bonomalipur Prathomik Vidyalaya under Chunditola North Circle on the petition stop the petitioner was granted A category scale of pay from the date of publication of the results of training course of Diploma in Elementary Education, in short DLED. Bracket close. Subsequently, notification was issued by the District Primary School Council Hooghly directing that A category scale of pay would be payable from date of obtaining of the certificate of the said course and directed for realization of the overdrawn amount. In terms of the said notification of the council, the petitioner deposited the overdrawn amount to get his retirement benefits. The petitioner seeks for refund of the overdrawn amount. Your submissions are same. The petitioner is similarly, he relies on the decision of this court in Narayan Kumar Datta versus State of West Bengal, re WPA 16445 of 2025. Mr. Bishop Broto Basu Mollik, learned advocate for Hooghly District Primary School Council, appearing through virtual mode, concedes to such submissions.
For the state, my lord.
Mr. Arindam Chattopadhyay, virtual mode, concedes to the same. Baki the same. Same order as the earlier. Disposed of. Next.
Item number 24.
DPSC Hooghly, my lord.
I am for
Led by Mr. Bosumur.
DPSC Nodia, not Hooghly.
I am for the DPSC Nodia, my lord.
What is this? Who is for the petitioner?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, what is the case?
My lord, case petitioner, she had been a teacher of primary school.
Yes.
She has been suffering from my lord, various diseases, including COPD. Now her breathing condition that has been reduced. She couldn't join the post for about 3 years. Thereafter, my lord, the COVID was there. If your lordship stands to pay 79, he moved this court for the first time on 22nd of June 2023.
District
Yes.
Now, my lord, if your lordship turns to the first paragraph, the petitioner is a lady who is suffering seriously from chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder. She has been absenting from the school for last 3 years due to her ailment. She prays before this court either for a transfer to a nearby school and, if not possible, premature retirement from her service with the retirement dues to which she is entitled to. That was my prayer. Now, court directed the authority to consider my prayer sympathetically. Page 81 was the reasoned order passed by the commissioner. He has taken note of everything. If your lordship turns to page 83, paragraph 13, it has been stated by the petitioner in the instant writ petition that she has been suffering with various ailments, including stage 2 COPD, and her lung capacity has been reduced to so and so, only which stands on her way to act as a normal person. She has also stated that due to her severe illness, she couldn't perform her duty for a considerable period. She attached some medical papers in support of her contention with the instant writ petition. Now, the ordering question at paragraph 15, it directed the authority to take a fitness certificate from me and to allow me to resume my duty and then to transfer me to another nearby school.
Yes.
That was done. But my lord, my condition, there is, my lord, that's no development in my condition, page 91. Once again, I approach this court because I am not in a condition to perform duty. This third paragraph at page 91. The petitioner, due to her illness, is praying for voluntary retirement. A representation of the petitioner to the said effect is pending consideration before the chairman. The council respondent number 5, herein, the said respondent is directed to consider the same and to dispose of it in accordance with law after giving the petitioner and the school authority an opportunity of hearing. Your lordship, said representation, which was directed to be considered, appears at page 89.
Yes.
Now, page 89, my lord, she has described her difficulties, including her illness as well as family issues. And the last paragraph at page 90, she said, তাই শারীরিক কষ্ট ও মানসিক যন্ত্রণা থেকে মুক্তি পেতে আমি আপনার কাছে স্বেচ্ছা অবসর আর্জি জানাচ্ছি আমার অবসর মঞ্জুর করে আমার মঞ্জুরিকৃত পেনশন চালু করতে করে বাধিত করিবেন. Now, that created a confusion, I must say, before lordship. Now, the impugned order, page 92, which has been passed by the authority, they have described everything. Page 93, the second paragraph after that particular chart. As per provision laid down in Rule 19 of the notification number 190 AC, dated 2nd of March 2016, issued by the Elementary Education Branch School Education Department, Government of West Bengal, that the prayer of the teacher seeking early retirement upon completion of 20 years of qualifying service, after considering all aspects, the council may allow the teacher to retire before completion of his or her 60th year of age. But in this present case, the petitioner joined her duty on 1st of November 2003, and her last date of working was 11th of January 2025. But her unauthorized absence is 2078 days. So 20 years of qualifying service is not completed. Hence, in compliance with the Honorable Court's order dated so and so, passed in the above noted matter, and considering the above note rule, prayer dated so and so for premature retirement, that's not being allowed. If your lordship turns to just few, the next, just the above page, my lord, it says, that's in page 92. Paragraph 1 says the petitioner was appointed as an assistant teacher in so and so school in the year 2003 and joined on 1st of November 2003. She was transferred to so and so institution 2011. She again transferred to 2013. Paragraph 4, lastly, she was transferred to so and so in 2015. Now, my absence that started on and from 2020, paragraph 6. My long absence that comes under since 2020. So 2001 to 2003 to 2013, at least, I have completed 10 years continuous service. Why I'm saying so, my lord? My junior is there, my lord. She would be handing over your lordship the recruitment rules of 2001. Or kindly takes up the recruitment rules of 2001 as Lordship got it? Now
Yes.
come to Rule 14. Appointment on compassionate ground. Your Lordship got it?
Wait. Yes.
Now, kindly come to the next page, clause 2. Rule 14, clause 2. When a primary teacher applies for being declared permanently incapacitated on medical ground to the council, may direct him for appearing before the medical board set up for the purpose according to the procedure laid down in the relevant rules or order of the time being in force, and after receiving the report from the council, if the medical board declares him permanently incapacitated to continue further service, he may be allowed by the council to retire on and from the date of submission in such application, and by virtue of his early retirement, if his family is in such extreme financial hardship that it fails to provide two square meal and other essentials to the members of the retired teacher's family, thus and so there would be a compassionate appointment. So details was described in this Rule 14. Rule 14, sub-rule 2 of 2001 rules. Now there is a change. Now the change that comes in 2016. Please hand over. My junior is there, he will handing over your Lordship the 2nd March 2016, the latest rule which is prevailing in this particular field. It's dated 2nd of March 2016, which is normally known as recruitment rules of 2016.
Is for the council?
Mr. Arindam Chatterjee is appearing online.
Yes. Okay.
Let me complete.
Mr. Jahan complete, then we'll definitely.
Well, kindly come to page 9, the chapter 4. Your Lordship will find out Rule 18, it's about retirement. Rule 19, premature retirement. And Rule 20 is the compassionate appointment. Now, if the family of a deceased, that's Rule 20, my lord, primary school teacher while in service, or the primary school teacher retired on being permanently incapacitated before 58 years in the financial hardship and needs financial assistance, and the same is absolutely necessary to support the family, application for appointment to the post of primary teacher to be submitted within so and so. But my lord, it was silent about the procedure which is to be followed in declaring a person permanently incapacitated.
Yes.
It was there in 2001. Now, the most important thing, this rule initially didn't have any clause of having repealing effect. Or in the very first page by which it was introduced, it doesn't say in supersession of the earlier rule this was introduced. But I must be candid before your Lordship. Sometime in 23rd of September, a corrigendum was there, and it says it has been promulgated in supersession of earlier rules, that's been 2001, lost its force. But Rule 20, it says that there is a provision for compassionate appointment on being declared permanently incapacitated. But how it is to be declared, it's remained silent. Now, I request your Lordships to take up the 1981 pension scheme. My junior is there, or she would be handing over to your Lordship. I'll kindly have a look to this. Kindly come to page, chapter 4, eligibility for pension.
Yes.
Rule 8, subject to the satisfactory service, an employee shall be entitled to pension provided that in case of so and so below, the employee concerned has completed at least 10 years of qualifying service. Now, what are the clauses? 1, 3, and 4. Now, I'll kindly come to clause 3. On being declared permanently incapacitated for the service by the chief medical officer of the state government in the district concerned, or any medical officer of equivalent status authorized by the pension sanctioning authority. Now, there are 3 types of retirement. One is normal retirement, another is premature retirement, That's called voluntary retirement like this. And third, retirement on being declared permanently incapacitated. Now, what they are doing, my lord, they are considering me for premature retirement, not for retirement on being declared as permanently incapacitation. Because if they consider me on that last clause, I would be, or I may be entitled to my pension since I have completed 10 years continuous service. Admittedly, 20 years I couldn't due to my illness. But they are taking the clause of premature retirement to debar me, my lord, from getting any pensionary benefit. So my prayer would be before your lordship.
What is the notification which has been quoted in the order?
Yes, these are the notification.
No, one particular notification.
2016 rules.
What is this? 190 AC?
190 AC, mark the 2016 rule which I have handed over to your lordship. The 2016 recruitment rules.
Okay.
After supersession of 2001, that has come into picture. Now, rule 20 of this, it says about, my lord, compulsion appointment on being declared permanently incapacitation, but it doesn't describe the process of that declaration.
Okay.
But, my lord, I am getting the aid from 1981 scheme, the pension scheme. That also talks about permanent incapacitation. Now, I say this 2016 is to some extent, my lord, it's silent about this. The procedure is silent. But I will get, my lord, the advantage of clause 23 of this 2016 rules. Clause 23 says the power, it's about interpretation. The power of interpreting these rules shall be reserved to the state government, and if any question arises relating to the interpretation of these rules, it shall be referred to the government whose decision thereupon shall be final. So since this rule is silent about the description, though that was in 2001 rules, but I am leaving it to your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Chattopadhyay.
My lord, kindly consider there is two aspects. One is, my lord, there is a clear absence from duties 2078 days. There is no explanation. My lord, when she couldn't improve, satisfy the authority that why such long period of absence occurred, then she applied for medical retirement, premature retirement on the medical ground. So, the authority, that is my council, relied upon the 190 AC, that is 2016 amendment rules. I have to demonstrate to your lordship, because I am out of station. I have to demonstrate to your lordship with regard to applicability of rules and 20 years of service. So unless the 2078 days is regularized, the question of last working days when she would be treated as medically incapacitated in service would not be decided. So, I will use one short affidavit. Kindly allow me a short affidavit. Otherwise, this is totally different. She could not satisfy the authority with regard her continuous absence. At the last juncture, she applied for medical incapacitation. So, kindly allow me short affidavit. I will not take very much time. 2 weeks time be given to satisfy, because otherwise I have to justify my order passed by the chairman.
Okay.
Allow me.
What he has argued is even his 2007-8 days are removed altogether, and 15 is taken as the first absence of 3 days. Then also she completes 10 years of service.
With regard to 10 years, I am disputing 10 years. It requires 20 years service. It requires. That is why I have to use an affidavit.
See, the DCRB scheme, these are the words which has been used, number one, or this or this.
Yes,
but not that the conditions are, yes, that has to be seen.
Yes, she is
taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks for direction upon the respondents. Direction seeks for quashing and or cancellation of the order under memo number 1233/NDPSC/2025 dated 3rd July 2025 issued by respondent number
May I add one line, just one sentence?
Yes. 5.
Since all the parties are before Lordship, but I committed a mistake, the affidavit of service is lying with me. I am at my chamber. Well, I will be filing it the next day because all the parties are before Lordship. Kindly give that liberty to me.
উপরে দিন affidavit of service বাদ দিয়ে undertakes to file the affidavit of service by কি বললাম council respondent number 5 chairman Nodia District Primary School Council rejecting the prayer of the petitioner for early retirement. Mr. Sarwar Jahan, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner is an assistant teacher who is suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder. For such reason, she is absenting from school for several years.
And on and from 1st of February 2020.
1st of February 2020. She is unable to attend her school. In such predicament, she approached this court in WPA 5455 of 2023, seeking for her transfer to a nearby school or, if possible, for premature retirement from her service with all retirement dues as per entitlement. A coordinate bench of this court directed the Commissioner of School Education to deal with the matter sympathetically. By order dated 16th October 2023, the Commissioner of School Education, after recording the sufferance of the petitioner, directed for
my paragraph 15, madam.
Directed the chairman, DPSC Nodia, to take appropriate steps.
But there was page 84, 4th line, the chairman DPSC Nodia is further requested to allow the petitioner to rejoin so-and-so primary school after getting her fitness certificate and only thereafter to take necessary steps for her transfer. Now, I was allowed to resume my duty pursuant to this.
কি বললাম? Steps under West Bengal Primary Education Leave of Teacher of Primary Schools Rules 1999, as well as allow the petitioner to rejoin her present school and thereafter take necessary steps to transfer the petitioner to a nearby school, namely Sri Ramakrishna Vivekananda Shikhayaton Primary School, on the ground of her illness. The petitioner was allowed to join. However, with the aggravation of the illness, the petitioner again made a representation for her early retirement
with pensionary benefit.
With pensionary benefits on 25th January 2025. Since that was not considered, the petitioner filed another writ petition being WPA 5489 of 2025. The representation was directed to be considered by the chairman of the council. The prayer for early retirement of the petitioner was rejected, citing Rule 19 of the notification, citing Rule 19 of West Bengal Primary School Teachers Recruitment Rules 2016. Referring to the earlier rule recruitment rules of 2001, he submits that there was a provision under Rule 14 to form a medical board to assess the incapacitation of the teacher prior to considering the representation for early retirement. Such clause has been deleted in the subsequent amendment in the year 2016. However, the rules of DCRB, Death Cum Retirement Benefit Scheme 1981, provides that a person being declared permanently incapacitated for further service by the chief medical officer concerned may be allowed to retire if he qualifies 10 years of service. The petitioner has qualified 10 years of service to receive pension. Such aspect, yes.
One thing more, 2016 rules, Rule 20, it speaks about permanent incapacitation without giving any description.
very good. এটাকে আগে দিয়ে দেবে না যেটা এখন বলবো এটা কি বললাম বলো সেন্টেন্সটা
declared permanently person declared for further service by the chief medical officer may be allowed to retire if he qualified 10 years of service. The petitioner has qualified 10 years of service.
Moreover, Rule 20 of Rules 2016 provides that such retirement can be made if a person is permanently incapacitated. The DCRB scheme of 1981 has not been taken into consideration by the authority concerned, and it proceeded on a wrong notion that the petitioner has to complete 20 years of qualifying service in order to have early retirement. Stop. Mr. Arindam Chattopadhyay, learned advocate, appearing for DPSC North, this is Nodia seeks accommodation to file an affidavit. The report in the form of affidavit, or you will be filing an opposition to that?
But opposition will lead to the hearing, my lord. She has been suffering. She is not getting.
Yes,
report.
Report of affidavit. Let such report in the form of affidavit be filed within a period of. You say how expeditious?
My lord, after 4th, my lord, because my officer also, my lord, engaged with the my lord, election process.
8th May 8th May উপরে দিকে preferably.
Copies to be served, advance copies to be served.
Copy of the report be served upon the learned advocate for the petition.
Great.
Opore undertaking. You file that affidavit of service on the returnable date.
Great. I see.
Yes, আছে
My lord, the issue is, my lord, petitioner appeared for the 2020 selection process. My lord, at the time of interview, petitioner was selected and petitioner was given appointment. Subsequently, petitioner's appointment was cancelled on the ground that petitioner did not have 50% in graduation. I challenge that. Ultimately, the court held, my lord, the coordinated bench, according to NCT, if a person has 50% in graduation, that is the eligibility criteria, not 50% in honors. So ultimately, my lord, I was directed to give appointment. In June 2023, both the petitioners were joined as an assistant teacher on 15th of June 2023. Now I claim, my lord, notional benefit from February 2021, when other similarly situated candidates were given appointment in respect of the 2020 selection process. And this is the case, my lord. I have gone through the report, my lord.
What if
The commissioner is saying that it can be given.
it can be given?
Yes, my lord. If your lordship, following your lordship's judgment, my lord, your lordship remembers Pile Bug was relating to 6 wrong questions, and this is the issue is different, my lord, but the facts, my lord, the issue, your lordship's
Issue of getting the notional benefit is same.
same. It will be from June,
It is February 21.
February 21, and from, my lord, the actual benefit from 15th of June 2023.
Where is the judgment of Masidul Haq?
My lord, I think it is the common judgment, my lord. Probably.
20. No,
it is
last-
tagged with Pilebug, my lord, I have given. My lord, if your lordship sees the first writ petition that is subject to correction is Masidul.
Oh, achha. Yes, yes. No, the report does not say that it has to be granted.
My lord,
In which place?
last paragraph, my lord, it stands on the same footing it has stated.
Which paragraph?
My lord, paragraph 6, my lord. Is hardly similar with the and nothing else.
They are not similar, they say.
Yes, that is the one. It is notional effect is similar, but the facts is different.
Facts is different. There was a 6 marks given, then they
Yes.
qualify intent. That is not here.
And here, my lord, the facts is I was not given appointment again for their fault. Court directed to give appointment.
Yes.
Hmm.
Board is a party over here.
My lord, board is not a part. I am saying, but board is not a money. It is for the commissioner of
Board
school.
is a party.
Yes, board is a part.
Where is Mr. Chaudhary? He's not here.
And board is not the authority, is the commissioner of school education. My lord, the order whether where I was given appointment, my lord, is at page 18 of the writ petition.
Board given need a bharat. You can get Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord, probably since it is a not to pass, he may not.
He was there in the morning.
You
have served upon the board.
Yes,
Board is-
yes. Given, my lord, affidavit of service. Last occasion also he appears.
No, last occasion only Mr. De, Suman De appeared for the state. And Subodhir Moitra.
I have given the affidavit of service. Oh, here.
Pass over.
And then kindly make it not today on Friday.
report filed by the state respondent is taken on record, copy served. Mr. None appears on behalf of the court. For ends of justice, the matter is adjourned. Is this matter এটা আগে দিয়ে দেবেন on Monday 20th.
For the petition. The board is the answering respondent.
Give Mr. Chaudhary.
Was there, man.
Not today, Guru. Not today, Guru.
Not
What is the prayer here?
The prayer is for in item 25. The prayer is for my consideration of representation, my lord.
So now you are OBC A.
Yes.
Now you want to change your category.
The petitioner filled up application form as a general, my lord. Whereas she is OBC from 2013, my lord. But at the time of filling of application form, my lord, she could not.
Not today. Next.
Item 26, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Similar
Matter-
item to item 6 and 7. The matter is pending before the Supreme Court fixed on 30th.
13th May, my lord. Kindly fixed.
6 and 7.
Same order.
के नीचे डिक्टेशन हाँ 6 से मत वही अमिताभ बाबू श्रीमानी बाबू ठीक है सेम ऑर्डर या 6 and 7
কত তারিখে রেখেছিল 18 গ্রেটফুল, my lord.
yes
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. The DPSC Malda is the answering respondent. This is my affidavit of service.
At the outset, my lord, I have made requested my learned friend to give a copy of the other, or otherwise, my lord, I will make it Xerox because I do not have the copy in 27 and 28. দুটো my lord, দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
both are same
No, my lord. Those are two, but he has told me that this relates to Malda DPSC, my lord.
oh
This I do.
I have served
I am
copies,
yet-
my lord.
Yes, my lord, I am yet to receive, my lord.
and what about the board
No, board is not a party here, my lord.
board is not a party
No, but this pertains to my 2009 selection process.
so you're covered by the decision of
I am
this-
covered by the decision in Kartik Pandey's matter, my lord. In item number 27. The coordinate bench passed this order, my lord.
But this already, my lord, this has been appealed against. Appeal has been heard out. My learned friend is the writ petitioner, Kartik Pandey writ petitioner. We have filed an appeal. My lord, this month itself it has been taken up, and next month it has been fixed for further hearing.
okay affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Mr. Abhishek Prasad, learned advocate representing DPSC Malda, submits that the copy has not been served upon him. Copy of the writ petition and annexures. Mr. Twansol, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, seeks to undertakes to serve copy of the application. Please this matter.
But I am for the station.
When is
My
that
lord, let
matter?
it be not this week, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, I
No, when
take
is the matter coming up before the honorable division
Fourth of
bench?
May.
Yes, my lord, if it relates to my lord that
Yes, that
my lord matter, then my lord, the next hearing has been fixed in the next month.
4th of May, my lord.
Oh,
Then my
so
lord,
there was other matter in which this Kartik Pandey was appealed against.
my lord, but if similar
Which
matter,
Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Only-
Ghosh mentioned just. Mr. Somesh Ghosh matters, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, this issue has brought to your lordship's notice.
24 Pargana, my lord, a writ petition was filed claiming the same benefit as it
That
has
is-
been.
This
Kartik
is a
Pandit.
similar appeal.
That is their main appeal.
If they are relying upon Malot this order, then Malot this has been appealed against. Let the
They have relied upon the
When
order
the other, your matter has been fixed on which date?
after
ওই দিনের দিলে তো সুবিধে হবে
8th, I think 8th.
দেখো তো 8th
I think 8th.
8th May তে হবে।
and division bench Malot has been directed to file the paper book and it
আমি
will be
দেখিয়েছি order দেখিয়েছি matter. Malda is the main matter.
Oh.
Malda is the main matter.
No, 8th May is the appeal.
8th.
Malot has been pleased to fix 8th May.
8th May. 4th May is the
Yes,
before the
4th May,
division
yes,
bench, so 8th May
it has been
gets it
directed to
on.
be listed.
But 20, let it be not today only, my lord. I shall serve copy, my lord. Mr. Sanal is leading me in this matter.
Not today.
Malot, let it be not this week, Malot, because I will
Achha,
get
then
the
on
copy and
Monday.
take
Not this week. Not this week.
29 wala for the petition, my lord.
Not
I'm for the
today.
DPSC, lordship.
Okay. State.
My lord.
No, I'm for the DPSC, my lord, led by Mr.
Who is for the state?
My lord, matter relates to my lord grant of A category scale of pay, my lord. My lord have already decided the issue, my lord. This is the my lord's judgment, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Mollik, this petitioner stands on the same footing as of Somir Biswas.
Yes, my lord. On that day, my lord, the my lord, state did not appear, my lord. That's why, my lord, the matter was not, my lord, disposed of.
Mr. Mollik,
Yes, my lord. I believe, my lord, it's the same issue, my lord. I believe so. my lord.
similar order can be passed because petitioner are similarly circumstanced.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, lordship, lordship.
Okay.
Service.
Affidavit of service state.
Malot,
You are for the state?
for the state, Malot.
Okay.
Malot, case 32 is the representation.
No, this order has been already passed. It says that it is similarly circumstanced. See the order. Because if he is similarly circumstanced, then this order will be passed.
মিউট করতে হবে না।
Yes.
It will be Malot as by EPSC say it is covering Malot.
By the present date petition, the petitioner seeks for direction upon respondent numbers
respondent number 103
to give all benefits of A category scale of pay to the petitioner from the date of completion of training session of teachers with effect from June 2006. The petitioner contends that he joined as an assistant teacher, in which school?
And it's July 2000, my lord. Of my lord, the TISA primary
In Tisa Primary School under Chonditala Circle on 20th July 2000 as an untrained teacher. Untrained.
Yes.
After completion of probation period of service the petitioner has been duly confirmed by the concerned authority. Subsequent thereto, petitioner completed his training course. He completed the primary teachers training within bracket in short PTT bracket close course for the session 2005-2006. The petitioner claims the results were declared on which date?
2011, my lord.
14 July.
My lord, my lord, the July 14 July, my lord,
14 July 2011. Stop. No, sir, again. Declared completed 2005-2006, comma, the results of which were declared on 14 July 2011. The petitioner claims A category scale of pay to be granted to the petitioner from date of completion of the course, that is June 2006, hence this writ petition. Baki submission same. Disposed of.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mullik, Mr. Vasu Mullik considers such submissions and also disposed of.
Thirty, my lord, I put the identical.
State.
Yes, my lord.
Stated to nahi. Date is not there.
Council is the, my lord, the answering.
No, not today.
There, my lord.
दिए दो. Next day.
That's
31.
I am for the petition. Same as Mala 29, Mala. A category scale. Which are complete 2005. But kindly similar order also losses pass. I have corrected the losses order to file affidavit in service. I also correct Mala losses order.
Same, but the DPSC clear. This is DPSC, Purva Bardhaman.
Purva Bardhaman.
You have seen the order, Mr. Acharya?
Yes.
Same order. তাহলে এর মতোই আগের 29 এর মতোই হবে। উল্টো বলে দিচ্ছি। The petitioner contains that he joined as an assistant teacher in which school?
Which school has also mentioned, Mala. Paragraph 3.
Kunda pre-primary school under Mongol Court 3 Circle. This is Paschim Bardhaman or
Purva Bardhaman, Mala.
Purva Bardhaman on which date? 20th July 2000.
Yes, Mala. What one?
Baki the same, huh?
Purva Bardhaman.
Results of the council.
Result same 14th July.
Same Mala.
Sub same. এখানে করে দিয়েছেন। Disposed of.
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Next order, same matter, my lord. I have corrected lordship's order and I am affidavit in service.
Same order করুন।
I am for the state.
And for the council?
Same council.
For this they can even
34.
Same order.
Yes, ma'am.
Get.
Affidavits
yes,
fine.
Fine.
Next.
Same matter. Service file.
Yes, Mr. Chakrabarty. Earlier order was passed.
Yes,
Same order can be passed in this writ petition.
I know he has not annexed the certificate of DLA or PTTI. My lord, he has only stated, but where is that certificate?
Page 35 Page 35, I annexed the
The
certificate.
certificate is there. Certificate is there, page 35.
Yes, my lord. Is that not?
The order can be passed.
Okay, my lord. My lord. I will
Same order. এটা করে দিয়েছে না স্কুলটা।
similar order.
Acharya is for the council.
Yes,
I am for the time.
that same pair, my lord.
36 state.
Mm.
36 state.
My lord, problem is I have also been appointed by the state. Therefore, my lord, I cannot,
Well,
since I appearing on behalf of the council, your lordship can dispose of this matter.
Very difficult to run.
what happened?
33 was my disposal. Disposed of.
33.
আমরা junior ছিল।
Who appeared for the state?
Junior ছিল।
Oh yes,
Was
then
there.
you give your name.
Sorry,
Mr.
I could not come.
Mr. Dev নামটা এখানে record করুন।
একটা নামটা দিন।
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dev.
Sorry, my
This 36, your
Just one name for the petition.
36 similar order.
6 কি নাম রে?
It is হচ্ছে নাম হচ্ছে
Any.
পলাশ চন্দ্র।
Affidavits you have given?
Yes, my lord, already given. I'm getting.
My lord, 37, my lord, I am for the petitioner. Board is the answering respondent.
What happened to the other matter?
My lord,
Other matter, Mr. Chaudhary, you got?
no, probably he has.
What is this?
My lord, the issue is, my lord, I have been appointed as a trained candidate in 2016. Initially, my lord, I have been given the marks for training and I have been getting the A category scale of pay from the date of appointment. Now, my lord, in the portal of the West Bengal board, it is showing that I am untrained. I want that that may be changed. This is the only issue.
On and from the date of the results.
Date of, no, from the date of appointment. My status may be changed from untrained to trained. I was
Where is that? Where is that? Portal?
I have written in my application form train.
My lord, না কোথায় দেখা যাচ্ছে portal?
যে আমার train page number 38.
My lord, page 38. My lord, Shipra Maiti 6 from the top. 9th from the top, my lord.
General.
Training score, my lord, nothing has been given. This is the score sheet, my lord, which was published pursuant to order of this court. Who have been appointed, my lord. I have been appointed. I have the training. Their records show, but in this court sheet, somehow it is not reflecting in the records of the board. That is why, my lord, I have come up.
Not today. You are for the state? Not today.
I am for the DPSC.
But the petitioner is an assistant teacher, my lord. But the petitioner subsequently acquired the training qualification through NIOS, my lord. In the academic session 2017-2019, my lord. But thereafter, my lord, petitioner also, my lord, they acquired the 50% marks in the secondary examination, my lord, as per the rider of the NIOS, my lord. But till date, my lord, the result as well as the certificate has not been issued. But
subsequently means he has to complete that within before, prior to issuance or prior to completion of the examination, he has to complete.
No, my lord, the guideline says, my lord,
Where is that? No, once you take admission, it gives a proviso that you have to upgrade your HS marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Within the period the DLAD examination is taken. That you have done.
My lord, after that, my lord, after my lord, the result, my lord, I have acquired that qualification, my lord. In 2017-19, my lord, I took admission, my lord, and passed the, my lord, the DLED examination. In 2021, my lord, I have passed the secondary education with 50% marks, my lord.
NIOS, you have served NIOS?
Yes, my lord. Field service. In the identical matter, Mr. Lahiri had appeared, my lord.
When is that matter coming up on 20th?
Yes.
Item numbers
Today, my lord, also the matter is appearing.
6 and 17.
My contention is that the guideline which has been framed by the NIOS, my lord, that is the directory in nature, my lord, since, my lord, there is no statutory force in that guideline. Number one, and number two is, my lord, the since under section 23 of the Right to Education Act, my lord, all the teachers are required to upgrade their training. They are required to have acquire their training qualification. So it is a beneficial legislation, my lord. Therefore, my lord, any condition, my lord, that should not be interpreted in a manner to disadvantage the interest of the teachers, my lord. And this is, my lord, no consequence has been mentioned in that clause, my lord. Therefore,
No, page 16, clause 2. This is what are you saying? Is subject to their acquiring 50% marks before completion of DLED program of NIOS. So if you have not got this 50% marks,
yes, my lord. But I took, but this clause says, my lord, the requirement of minimum eligibility for admission to DLED program, that is 50% marks in class 12, to the extent that those who do not fulfill this requirement shall be allowed to take provisional admission. I took provisional admission to the program subject to their acquiring 50% marks before completion of DLED program NIOS. But my contention is that this is an directory in nature, my lord. Since, my lord, no consequence has been mentioned, and this is not a statutory, my lord, the law, my lord, since it has not been framed under any statute, my lord.
But this 50% marks is required under
that have received, that have got, my lord, that subsequent to that, my lord, the obtaining the DLED course, DLED qualification. It is not dispute that I have not obtained that 50% mark. I have passed the secondary examination with 73% marks, my lord. So it is a beneficial legislation, my lord. Beneficial guideline, my lord, should not be interpreted to disadvantage the interest of the teachers, my lord. Ultimately, we are required to obtain the training qualification as per the RTE Act, my lord.
It's 20th.
Along with those matters, my lord. Grateful.
There is a notification which was placed in that case, wherein this 50%, even if not completed, they will be considered. That clause was there.
Yes, yes,
Mr. Banerjee was arguing that no, it is
subsequently
it would have a prospective effect. Mr. Lahiri says that it applies to all those persons who have completed DLED.
Yes.
So that is there.
And
You have not annexed perhaps that
that
is not here. On 20th.
Yes. And, my lord, corresponding my lord, changes is also there in the RTE Act regarding, my lord, obtaining the minimum eligibility. 23, there is a amendment incorporated, a time frame was given that by this time you have to acquire all these. My lord, 23, there is amendment. I'm getting
এটা just একটু not today করে দিন, not this week করে দিন, তাহলে একটু 20th এ চলে আসবে, not this week. You take this on that day, you place it. ওটা 20 তারিখে আসবে, not this week.
But may it be tagged with item 6 and 7, my lord.
6, not 6 and 7. What is it? 6 and 17.
6 and 7, my lord, perhaps.
No, 6 and 7 is of Mr. Dasgupta was moving that, not that.
I basically NIS.
Mr. Lahiri move other matters. 17 এর সাথে ছিল এটা। এই বরুণ বাবু, ওই মিস্টার লাহিড়ী Madrasa, no, not right. Mr. Bose, do one thing, you take the number from the junior of Mr. Lahiri and provide it to the court officer so that we can list it one after the other. The other thing is that few days earlier, you moved writ petition, or you were on for the side of the respondent. There was a fact of the case was that there was an appointment of teacher in charge, which was challenged by the writ petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
That there was a voting and then your client was
Yes.
appointed teacher.
Yes.
What is the WPA number of that?
But
You get that number and give it to him. Connected.
39, 40 and 41 is same.
39.
40 and 41.
What is same?
In item number 38.
Same as item number 38. Not today, not this week.
No.
Next, 42.
Time for the petition or compassionate appointment.
Mala Buddhist state respondent.
Yes.
My lord, this is the third round of litigation, my lord. My father, my lord, was a primary teacher. Because of medical condition, my lord, the medical report was given and he got a voluntary retirement. Thereafter, my lord, I applied for, my lord, compassionate appointment. Initially, it was rejected mechanically that you're on the ground of financial, you don't have the financial hardship. It was set aside and directed that it was to be reconsidered. My lord, again, it was reconsidered and said that your income is more than the income of a Group D employee. It was rejected. I filed this second writ petition wherein I said that in the meantime, my father died. I am receiving the family pension. So the family pension income should be taken into consideration. My lord, the coordinate bench specifically directed the district inspector of schools that you consider that taking into consideration the new income, the new financial condition.
At that point of time, father was alive, so he was getting a pension.
But thereafter father died, I was receiving family pension. So the income reduced. My lord, that was directed to be taken into consideration. My lord, I am giving your lordship that order. My lord, that order is that it starts from page 37. And the relevant portion is that, my lord, is at page 40.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship has seen page 40, Roman 2. Now, my lord, the impugned order is at page 41. Same thing, my lord, it was not considered on financial that my income is more than the income of a Group D staff, my lord, it has been rejected. Now, my lord, I am receiving family pension of 14,000 per month. I have annexed the bank statement. And my lord, the income of a Group D is 18,000.
Mother, widow is receiving.
Yes,
your
widow.
mother is receiving.
Widow.
14,000.
14,000. The bank statement, my lord, at page 43.
4,000. So it will be.
And my lord, the salary of a Group D is more than, I believe, 18,000. So it has not been taken into consideration what the learned court has directed.
Total is 20,000.
Yes.
As per the report, the group D staff has an income of total 20,050.
50.
So you are getting 18,000.
I am reading 14,000, page 43, my lord.
No,
That-
as per the report,
As
your
per the
income
report-
has been assessed as
And that is, my lord, assessed without taking into consideration the family pension. My lord, if your lordship
No, no,
kindly
no.
comes
What
to.
I mean to say is, come to page 41.
Yes, my lord.
It starts with the sentence, just 4 lines from the bottom.
Yes.
It starts with that means
Yes.
on subsequent event of death, the pension amount was 20,050.
20,015.
So it says subsequent to the date.
That is a wrong recording, my lord. Because why it is a wrong recording? If your lordship now comes to, my lord, page 43.
14,064.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Chattopadhyay.
My lord, order is reasoned order, my lord. Your lordship rightly pointed out, my lord, everything was considered at the relevant point of time. There is no infirmity. There is no infirmity. He has to my lord, cross the hurdle. My lord, group D stops in my lord, salary. My lord, he has to cross that hurdle. Then,
No,
my lord,
no.
if he is disputing the my lord, factual aspect, then I have to use affidavit. My lord, if he is disputing the factual aspect, then I have to use affidavit. And if he relies upon the my lord, point of law, then my lord, kindly decide it. There is no infirmity. The reason order, there is everything has been recorded.
No, the only thing is that he says that wrongly after the death of the concerned employee, the family pension is reduced from pension. Correct? Family pension, as per the bank statement, what he is receiving is 14,000 odd. But if you come to order at page 41, it records that the pension amount 20215.
20215, yes, my lord.
We take 20215 as the pension which was been granted in favor of the concerned employee, then
My lord.
after the order by this court, the family pension would be less than that. Here he says that this is factually wrong. Because if we take 14,000 something, then it comes to 18,000. The income of the petitioner, even if you take for granted that it is 4,000, then it is 18,000. Now come to page 42, the total amount of a group D is getting is 20,050. Here he gets entitlement to have a compassionate appeal. If it is less than a group D employee, the only ground is that he is more than group D employee is getting income is more than group D, so he is not entitled to
This is the only ground.
If you calculate that, and page 43, the bank statement shows that he is getting 14,064.
That is, my lord, with regard to page number 40, my lord, then my lord, kindly keep it, my lord, 8, my lord, I will, in the meantime, I will find one report. I have to take instruction. My lord, with regard to, my lord, the observation made in the, my lord, order, and with regard to page 40, I will use my lord only report, my lord.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks for cancellation of the order under memo number 123/LS dated 3rd June 2025, passed by respondent number 5, District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Birbhum. Mr. Sudipto Dasgupta, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, submits that at the first instance, the prayer of the petitioner for compassionate appointment was considered and rejected by the concerned authority on the ground that the family income of the petitioner was more than the income of a Group D staff. After the demise of the concerned employee, the family income was reduced. The petitioner approached this court in WPA 21139 of 2018 and the Honorable Court, after due consideration, set aside the order dated 16 March 2018 passed by District Inspector of Schools Secondary Education Birbhum, rejecting the prayer of petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground, and directed the concerned authority to consider afresh, considering the subsequent event of death of the father of the petitioner, and also calculating the family income as per changed circumstances. The reasoned order has not taken into consideration the changed circumstances. Mr. Arindam Chattopadhyay, learned advocate appearing for the state, seeks to file a report. Let such report be filed. Mr. Chattopadhyay?
Yes, after 6, my lord, I will file it, my lord.
No, no, 8, this will be listed.
8, my
By
lord.
the returnable date, advance copy of the report before served upon the learned advocate for the petitioner. List this matter on 8.
My lord, affidavit of service.
Where is that?
I have given, my lord.
Only report or form, only report will.
Report in the form of affidavit. Report in the form of affidavit. 8 May.
My lord.
Deeply on.
At A category scale of pay, my lord, petitioner is seeking, my lord, and covered by my lord's judgment, my lord. In the case of petitioner was appointed on 1st July 2010, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, with B.Ed qualification petitioner, my lord, was appointed. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner undergone, my lord, the 6-month breach course, my lord. Petitioner is claiming, my lord, A category scale of pay from the date of his appointment.
So Jahan is appearing close.
State cash. State.
Yes, my lord, I am there. The state is the responding authority, my lord. I believe they are asking it for their B.Ed qualification, if I'm not wrong.
Not today then. Let the state appear.
Madam,
Yes.
I have checked up with Mr. Lahiri, my lord, telephone, my lord, item 9 and 17.
9 and 7. 9 and 17 এর পর পর ওটা রাখবে না? Your is 39, 40, 41. Not today, Mr. Jahan. It will appear on 17th. We'll take it.
Yes, my lord.
এটা দিয়ে দিন, অর্ডারটা দিয়ে দিন এখন।
আর 38
রিটার্ন করুন। অর্ডারটা রিটার্ন করে দিন।
আর নেই তো সব কিছু তাই হচ্ছে একবার সেম তো নেই
Same. Not today.
স্টেট আছে সেগুলো হয়ে যাবে
Same. Not today.
State.
Not today on
45.
45 state here.
So Arindam Chattopadhyay is appearing.
State.
Yeah.
Okay, 45.
The representation is at page 31, my lord. And the order passed by my lord. না না আমি ওনাকে একটা কপি দিচ্ছি
I think EPSC Murshidabad.
Yes, I am
Mr. Jahan is appearing.
Yes, I am appearing.
Mr. Jahan, yes, referred to a decision of court in WPA 17299 of 2025, whether the petitioners are similarly circumstances, only a direction to consider the representation was
Yes,
it. That's all.
I am aware about this.
They are similarly circumstances?
Yes, yes.
Hush. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities to grant A category scale of pay to the petitioner from the date of his joining.
Mine.
The petitioner contends that the petitioner, how many are there?
One.
Petitioner joined as an assistant teacher in school.
My lord, the Nigampur Primary School.
Nigampur Primary School.
Initially, my lord. My lord, the presently, my lord,
joined as in Nigampur Primary School under Murshidabad District Primary School Council on?
My lord, the on my lord 1st July 2010.
1st July 2010.
The
Thereafter,
subsequently
he was
petitioner was transferred and petitioner is presently working in my lord, the 15 Nimgram SR Primary School.
ওটা ছিল 7 Nigampur Primary School. এখানে হলো 15 নিগম গ্রাম নিম গ্রাম SR primary school. Transferred, huh? Prior to joining, he was B.Ed.
Yes, my lord, B.Ed.
Prior to joining the service, the petitioner obtained B.Ed degree
In 2006.
in 2006. The petitioner has also completed 6 months bridge course in which year?
2016, my lord.
20?
In there, 2015, my lord, page 26.
2015. When did you make the representation?
My lord, page 17 June 25. Page 31, my lord.
The petitioner made a representation on 17 June 2025.
Yes, my lord.
Before the concerned authority for grant of A category scale of pay of the same is still pending. Baki the same submissions.
Great.
Dispose of. Any. সেম আছে ওই যেখান থেকে সেম হবে ওই প্যারাগ্রাফটা নিয়ে নেবে নেক্সট
46 also same, my lord. Same DPSC.
You are for?
Sir, so bad.
You are for DPSC?
Mushidabad DPSC, my lord. Either Mohammed or
State?
both and both.
Not today.
I for the statement.
नहीं दो
47, my lord.
Who is for the state?
I for the
47 is same?
Same, my lord. All same.
You are for?
Up to 60, all same. my lord. Up to 60, all same. my lord.
47. Mr. Jahan?
Yes, ma'am. 47 I'm there.
Similar orders can be passed?
Similar order can be passed.
তাহলে 47 দাও এই অর্ডারটা আগের অর্ডারটা 45 এর অর্ডারটা দাও Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Second paragraph same. Third paragraph, the petitioner contains that petitioner joined as assistant teacher in which school?
In paragraph 4, I stated, my lord, in first 24.
24 Andhua Primary School within Murshidabad District Primary School Council on
13th February 2010.
Yes, my lord.
He was transferred?
No, my lord.
Okay.
Now he working.
Prior to joining service, the petitioner completed his B.Ed
97-98.
Which this
97-98.
It is 2006.
1998.
98.
Yes.
1998. Petitioner has also completed 6 months breach course on
same in the
in
year
15.
of 2015.
15. Representation 19 June 2025. Same.
19 June 2025.
Okay. Same order, তারপরে Same. Disposed of. চলো পরের পরে হবে
All are same.
Come back.
And 809, my lord, I appear for the petitioners, my lord. But I have put in the deficit court fees, my lord, pursuant to my lord's judge direction, my lord. Matter where the petitioner had participated in the selection process for the post of assistant teacher in 2009 under North 24 Parganas Disciplinary School Council, my lord. Petitioner had filed their writ application prior to the cutoff date, which has been fixed by the Honorable Coordinate Bench, my lord, and also, my lord, they appeared in the interview, my lord. Petitioner is claiming the benefit of that judgment, my lord. But there is a direction for affidavits, my lord. My lord, no affidavit has been filed, and my lord, I have put in the deficit court fees, my lord.
Acknowledgement receipt showing payment of deficit court fees is taken on record. None appears on behalf of the District Primary School Council, North 24 Parganas, nor any affidavit in opposition is filed in terms of order dated 23rd March 2026. What was the time period to find? Any information, any reply copy has been given to you?
No, my lord, no copy has been.
Release this matter after 2 weeks. Same under the heading hearing.
But kindly fix any time, my lord.
After 2 weeks, let it appear. If you get the affidavit in opposition, then we can fix a date for hearing. Let it appear under the heading hearing. Mr. Boisho appeared for the DPSC.
Yes, my lord. Right. Otherwise, it will not be taken as subject to my any time.
No time, because what is the rationale behind giving a time? I thought that this will be
Right. If it
filed
is,
and
my
it will
lord,
be
the
heard.
fix any date, my lord, then they will, my lord, the circulate.
Since it is not there, let them file the affidavit in opposition. After that, you mention we'll fix a date for hearing.
The 10, 11, my lord, the both are same, my lord. That is pertains to, my lord, the 2009 recruitment, my lord, and in 810, my lord, I have also, my lord, the deposited the court fees. Oh, I got you.
810 was there was a direction to file
report. But Mr. Bhattacharya is appearing for the council.
Yes.
My lord, due to my personal difficulty in medical process, I could not reach the court, my lord. My lord, APTB in opposition are ready, my lord. Any day fixed, my lord. I shall file this, my lord, in 3 matters, my lord. 2 p.m. fixed matter, my lord. Due to medical purpose, my lord, I cannot.
809 date change kori. None appears to get it. 809 also you are appearing.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Fix extension of time to file affidavit in opposition. Let's say affidavit in opposition filed within a week.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, within a week. Reply if any be filed within a week thereafter. What a change hoega, no? 9 time. In this matter, you submitted to file a report in the form of affidavit.
Yes, yes, my lord. My ready, my lord.
Report is also ready.
Same day, my lord, fixed. Before I shall serve the coffee, my lord.
Yes.
My at 2 p.m. my lord, or any time, my lord.
2 সপ্তাহ পরে ডেট বলো তো। 27th.
811 also, my lord.
Same.
Same.
Then
My lord, 28th is possible, my lord.
28th.
Yes, my lord.
28th আদর্শ দেখো তো। 811 same.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Same matter. A direction for a report.
28th. 27th. Now it goes to 4th. 28th যদি না 27th না হলে কবে হবে? 4th. 4th তো হবে না, না? তোমার eviction জন্য 27 on 27
at 2 p.m.
হ্যাঁ 27 2 p.m. কিছু আছে? ওটার পরে 2:30 বা 3 p.m. করে দিন 2:30 2:30 p.m.
And get full money.
আমার দিয়ে দিয়েছি হয়ে গেছে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ তো কি একটাই তো
I am for the petitioner led by Mr. Subhajit Chatterjee. On last occasion, there was a direction upon the DPSC to file a report. We have not received the report as of yet, Your Lordship.
আসুন none appears on behalf of the board nor any report has been filed in terms of order dated 23rd March 2026. হ্যাঁ ওই দিনে 3টের সময় রেখে দিয়ে দিন ও বিফোর টাইম হয়ে গেছে বাড়িটার সময় দেখো যদি অনলাইনে আসে কেউ বা চৌধুরী যদি থাকে ও চলে গেছে নাকি Mr. Chaudhary has come now. In the morning he was there. Yes, any copy has been given to you?
No, Your Lordship, we haven't. The AOR has not received any copy.
Wait for some time. Huh?
Wait for
At
the
2:30 I will take it up.
Number 48.
48 minutes time for the petitioner.
Okay, Mr. DPS, led by Mama.
State? Nobody.
Body.
Not today. Hmm.
Number 49.
49 on the pen.
Mr. DPS.
Your Lordship.
Mr. Jahan, similar order can be passed in this?
Yes,
Okay.
my lord.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities to grant A category scale of pay to the petitioner from the date of his joining. The petitioner contends that he joined as an assistant teacher in
Paragraph 4, I stated 41
এইটা দেখে নেবেন শ্রীমানি বাবু
primary school.
লাস্ট অর্ডারটা দেখে করুন when did you file the representation?
The presentation, my lord. 19/6/2025.
19 June 2020 ঠিক আছে and B.Ed degree obtained the B.Ed degree on which year?
2009.
2009
Nine.
2009 completed 6 months breach code
Same.
same year
Same. 2015.
15 এই এখানে দেখে নিন একটু পরেগুলো আসবে ফ্যাক্টে শুধু এইখানে দেখুন 2009 হবে স্কুলটা পাল্টাবে জয়েনিং ডেটটা পাল্টাবে আর এখানে এটা 15 এগুলো সব সেম থাকবে এটা সেম রিপ্রেজেন্টেশনের জন্য যাবে এটা 2009 বাকি ব্রিজ কোর্স 15 করেছে Yes, disposed of.
We also say minor.
Same. Need. That's it. Date of. Mr. Jahan.
Yes, my lord.
Same order can be passed in this writ petition?
Yes, yes, same one.
Okay.
Appointed on 10th of February 2010, if I'm not wrong.
10th of February he joined.
Yes.
Paragraph 4 I stated, my lord.
Joined this 11th February 2010.
Subsequently is transferred and
Transfer. First school to Likun 44 Jagoti Primary School. Transfer to which school as headmaster?
Yes, ma'am. 49.
And was promoted to the post of head teacher of 49 Kayadanga Indira Primary School, where he joined on 3rd January 2024. When did you complete your B.Ed?
92-93.
92-93.
Yes, ma'am.
Which course you have completed in the year?
15.
15. Hey.
Representation 19/6/20.
Okay.
18 July.
Disposed of.
That 51, my lord. I am
এটা দিন না স্যার
My representation is at page 32, my lord.
Joining date.
My lord, joining date, my lord, 13 February 2010.
Okay. B.Ed.
D.Ed completed 98-99 and B.Ed completed in 2015. Page 25.
Okay. Baki the same 19 June.
Representation 17 June. My representation dated
17 June. Representation is 17 June. Okay. Disposed of. Next.
Fifty-two also same.
I am for this statement.
Same order. Date of joining.
Date of joining, my lord, paragraph 4 I
16
stated.
February. 16 February 2010.
16 February 2010. School name 65.
And subsequently is my lord, transferred.
Parkhana Horizon Primary School. Transferred to which school?
65. Gokarna.
Which was the first
Horizon
school?
Primary School.
Wait. First school is 31 Jorur Junior Basic School under Murshidabad District Primary School Council. Joined on 16th February 2010.
Right.
Subsequently, the petitioner has been transferred to 65 Gorkana Horizon Primary School, where he joined on 21st January 2022. B.Ed qualification on
2006-7.
2007.
2006-7. 2006-7. 6 months bridge course.
Same.
15.
15.
Representation date
30th July 2025.
30th June.
30th June.
Sorry.
30th June or July?
June.
June.
This 31.
Disposed of. Uh,
53.
53. Not today. Not today. School date of joining.
Date of joining, my lord. Paragraph 4, my lord, as stated.
1st of July 2010.
1st of July, first school
Pilkhana
is
Primary School.
8 Pilkhana Primary School within Murshidabad District Primary School Council,
Subsequently transferred and
transferred to 76 Lalbagh Boys Primary School and joined on 17th May 2016.
My lord.
B.Ed
2010.
10,
10.
2010. And 6 months bridge course
15.
2015. Representation date
18th June.
18th June.
18 June.
Disposed of. Next.
It also হ্যাঁ 56 সাউথ ছিল
State. Here for the state 56. Not today. Didi. Next.
And I'm for the state, my lord,
Yes.
led by Mr. Chattopadhyay.
Date of joining
1st of July 2010.
1st June.
July.
1st July 2010. School name is 37 Baduria Pada Primary School under the Murshidabad District Primary School Council.
2010 B.Ed. No,
Eight
no
academy.
2010 B.Ed.
Each course 15, my lord.
15. Representation
20th June.
15th June.
20th 20.
20th June. Disposed of.
Deeply organized. Eight.
58. 8. Date of joining
10th of July 2006.
5th of July.
10th 10th
10th July 2006.
Yes, ma'am.
B.Ed.
B.Ed 1998 1999.
Then he promoted as a head teacher, my lord. Paragraph 4 I stated.
Oh, acha, dada. As in 56 Kajipada is the first school.
My lord.
Guripada Primary School. Joined on 6 July 2006. Subsequently, he was promoted as head teacher of 16 Khasmahal Primary School
My lord.
and joined in the said school on 5th June 2018.
My lord.
B.Ed on
98-99 session.
98-99 session. 6 months course completed in the year 15. Date of representation
17th June.
17th June. Disposed of. Next. Not today.
Okay. 60.
Yes, I have it for the state school.
'68 Tital Nagar Primary School joined on 1st July 2010. B.Ed
2010 man. Paragraph 3.
2010. Breach code
15.
15. Representation date
19th July.
July
July
1925. Disposed of.
I brought the judgment passed by my lord in teacher in charge. Appointment of teacher in charge.
তো থ্যাংক ইউ। এটা একটু ইয়েকে দিয়ে দেবেন, অর্ডারলিকে দিয়ে দেবেন। হুম, নেক্সট। না, 812টা যখন পাস ওভার হয়ে গেছে। হুম,
petitioner.
মিস্টার চৌধুরী,
So we couldn't contact.
এখন এটা হিয়ারিং এর লিস্টে নট দিস উইক করে 20 তারিখে দেখো কোনো হিয়ারিং এ কিছু আছে কিনা। হুম, রুল 3টের সময় দিয়ে দেবো। 2টোর সময় কোনো হিয়ারিং তো কিছু নেই, 3টের সময়। 20th April 3 p.m. You intimate the learned advocate for the board who is to file the report. Next. সব নট টু রেজ এমনি নট টু রে করে চলো। দেখে জানো থাকলে তখন দেবে।
And for the petitioner, my lord, for item number 68, I'm praying for not today.
Not today.
59. Straight.
Next.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 192, 199, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198,
199, 200, 201, 202, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 117, 118, 19,
My lord, I am for the state.
Next.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 61, 54,
I'm for the state.
Okay.
56, 57, 58, 59, 41, 46, 44, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 52, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62,
262. I'm for the state.
Okay.
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 85, 86, 87, 28, 29, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 307, 8, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 319, 320, 321, 322, 325, 327, 329, 330, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 361, 364, 365, 7, 68, 69, 71, 72, 74, 75, 77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 83, 84, 89, 91, 92, 93, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 408, 409, 408, 411, 412, 413, 14, 417, 418, 419, 420, 421, 422, 423, 425, 426, 471, 432, 434, 435, 433, 438, 439, 440. 441, 442, 443, 442, and that's right. 446, 447, 449, 450, 451, 452, 453, 454, 455, 456, 457, 458, 459, 460. 461, 462, 468, 469, 470, 489, 470, 471, 472, 475, 481, 482,
486. I'm for DPS.
488, 489, 490, 491, 490, 499, 501, 502, 542, 557, 510, 530, 580, 590, 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 528, 529, 531, 532, 557, 558, 559, 541, 542, 543, 545, 546, 547, 548, 551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559.
My lord, 559, my lord, I am for the petitioner. It's a matter about compassionate appointment. If some precedence may be given, my lord, only I want to consider of my representation. My lord, father died. He made an
An order has been passed for allowing and rejecting of that.
No, no, no. On pending, I want to consideration of my representation. 559. Any day, convenience to your lordship.
আচ্ছা 559 টা কবে দেওয়া যায় দেখো তো miscellaneous
He made a representation that is pending before the authority after
It's within time.
bifurcating the Bardhaman into two districts. Now, Paschim Bardhaman to Purbo Bardhaman. Purbo Bardhaman, the application is pending. I want consideration of my
it is made within time.
made within time.
দেখো
20
27 নিতে পারবো
Grateful man. Great.
who is the answering respondent?
My lord, DPSC. I have served, but I also
Give a
informed.
notice on 27.
I also.
I 68, I 69, I 70, I 71, I 72, I 74, I 75, I 76, I 78, I 79, I 81, I 82, I 83, I 89, 594, 595.
I'm for the petitioner.
Which one? Which item?
592, 598, same as you ask the order, same.
592.
592, 598, and also
598. So 592, who is for the state?
590, 590,
59 to 592.
590 to 598.
590. দেখো 590 তখন তো
590.
who is for the state?
Mr. Dhol is appearing for
Where
this.
is he?
It's not present.
Not today করো যেগুলোতে স্টেট আছে এখানে 59 থেকে দেখে তো 591. Wait 591
I'm for the
state.
petitioner. No state.
Nobody is here. 592
I'm for the petitioner.
not there.
593,
I'm for the petitioner.
594,
I'm for the petitioner.
595,
I'm for the petitioner.
596,
I'm for the petitioner.
597,
I'm for the petitioner. I'm for the petitioner.
599, 587.
600 also I'm for the
নেই তো স্টেট নেই স্টেট ইউ আর দেয়ার then wait for the next day. Huh? Not today. Next. দেখো
My lord, in 601, we are unable to serve the state authority due to time was lapsed. My lord, kindly give a direction to serve a copy.
An advocate for the petitioner seeks to serve upon the all the respondents.
No, my lord, state authority.
Serve upon the state respondents. Let such service be affected upon the state respondents through to the office of Government Pleader, High Court, Calcutta. Through the office of a petitioner is directed to file affidavit of service on the returnable date.
Grateful to
Release this matter after 2 weeks.
Grateful to your lordship.
2 সপ্তাহ পরে এটা নিয়ে আসুন
Color, I'm for the DPS.
602.
Five, 6, 7, 9, 64, 65, 47, 48, 49, 41, 42, 45, 47, 46,
বলুন একে ডাকো জমাদারকে ডাকো না আছে চলো ডাকো কল কল
7, 9, 71, 677, 78, 79, 81, 82, 5, 67, 9, 90, 691, 692, 5, 7, 7, 701, 702, 7, 5, 7, 707, 712, 716, 7, 718, 719, 720. 721, 726, 727, 728, 729, 731, 732, 732, 734, 739, 733, 737, 738, 739, 740, 741, 742, 747, 751, 754, 756, 757, 761, 762, 766, 767, 768, 769, 771, 772, 775, 778, 775, 781, 782, 789, 791, 792, 797, 798, 799. Detector 1, detector 2, detector 5, detector 6, detector 7, detector 8.
Okay.